Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Friday. So I'm having my day off, and then tomorrow work na naman, and then on Sunday day off na naman. So because day off ko ngayon, kami ay lalabas and we're gonna buy some things para sa Pasalubong kasi we're gonna travel to the Philippines very soon. So excited na ako guys, and yeah, pero hindi pa ako nakapag-pack ng mga gamit namin. Maybe later when I get home, or maybe on Sunday na. Pero may bisita din kami on Sunday kaya. But let's see kung ano mangyayari for today. So it's so nice today because the sun is up. It's been really dark and cold and, you know, snow, winter for the last months. And now I can feel the winter is coming. I'm so happy. And in few weeks, very soon we'll be in the Philippines and we will be in the beach and having fun and just relaxing and drinking beer, tanduay, sanmiglite, everything like that. So I'm so happy.
And mango.
Hello guys. Wait lang, adjust ko muna. I'm using my DJI Osmo. First time ko actually siya gamitin dito sa sasakyan, and I hope na maganda yung result niya. And papunta kaming shopping. Papunta kaming mga shop kasi magbibili kami ng mga pasalubong sa Pinas. Malapit na kaming umuwi, malapit na kaming magbakasyon. So yun, tingin-tingin muna kung anong pwedeng dalhin kasi alam naman natin pag mga Pinoy, diba, dapat talaga may mga gifts tayo, mga pasalubong sa ating mga pamilya and friends, ganon. Ano yan? Ano yan?
That's a speed detector.
Yeah.
That is the speed detector.
Dong, excited na ka dong? Are you excited dong? For Philippines?
You cannot do that.
Yeah, actually no. So try to wait lang. What are you looking forward dun sa Pinas?
Mango shake.
At ano pa? Try to talk.
No, I'm sorry. I'm looking forward to beaches. Send me glide.
Yeah.
Some heat. It's so goddamn cold here in Denmark at the moment. I'm looking forward to some sun, some girls in two pieces, sand, beaches, water, Send me glide, Jollibee.
Your next perfect house? Are you gonna buy a new house?
No.
My next perfect house gonna be.
Not quite now.
It will come.
Not quite now.
We have it in Rice Buday.
You got a nice house, guys. I've been sleeping there more than once.
Not a nice house.
It is a nice house.
Like, is it really a real house?
It's a real house.
I've never been there. Huh?
No.
No.
But we should go there. Actually, that's. Fuck. We should have gone to Rejsby this week because then we could have stopped in. I would really like to see the boat show in Fredericia.
What?
It's a nice boys.
Some happy thing is trying to make me smile. Some happy things make me stop for a while. But some happy things